So I really like this item that I got to review. So this is a plastic floor mat that can go on a hardwood floor, tile, just not carpet. It came out pretty awesome. It comes rolled up in the box, and what they want you to do is to take it out of the box, unroll it, and then put some weights on it. After that, you want to heat this thing up. So I warmed this up for about 45 minutes with a hair dryer, so that way this can form and be the right shape. You can also use hot water. You can leave it out in the sun as well. And this is designed to help make it easier, roll around in a computer desk chair. And it also helps to protect the floor surface from any chairs that you may have. This can be used in a kitchen, it can be used in an office, it can be used anywhere where you have hardwood floors or tile floors. It's really durable. This isn't something that's going to break. Very easy to clean. Because it is a solid plastic surface, you can just clean this off with some disinfectant. You can mop it with the Swiffer. You can easily dust it off or brush it off as well too. You could put this over a thin rug, but I wouldn't put this over a carpet. Also, as you can see, I've got kids here that like to use this desk. They'll drop a marker here or there. I'd much rather they drop the marker on this than on the tile and have to worry about cleaning that up. So this is a great solution. I like this a lot.